Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm just going to share some of my ideas ahead of non-farm payroll, because today is the first Friday of August, so it's non-farm payroll today, and obviously everyone will be watching the markets for non-farm payroll. Are you trading non-farm payroll today? Leave your comment in the comment section below. I don't technically trade news myself, but what I try to do is to factor it in and see where it potentially can help. For example, I'm looking at my technicals here. This is the system that I use. Sometimes I remove some of the trend line indicators because I just want to have a clear chart. But the system that I use, you can watch the previous videos on this channel. You can download it from there, and it's free. I developed myself. Feel free to play around with it. Do whatever you want to do with it. But you can see here we are hanging on this zone. According to my system, we are hanging up around this zone, and this is ahead of non-farm payroll. So what's going to happen with non-farm payroll is either going to be used to break through, or as the reason to what to go down. What usually happens is, at least I believe, at least that's my belief, that the market is based on technicals, but the fundamentals are used to mask what any moves that the big players want to make. So the big players might want to break through here, but they need a valid reason to do that, to mask their movement. So they usually hide around these major news announcement in order to what? To break through. But it's already a technical setup here. It's already a technical setup here. So you just need something, a reason for moving price the way you do. So what do? You wait for fundamental news, non-farm payroll, FOMC, things like that. Then you can use them to either break your technical level or to take the price down. So that's the reasoning behind technicals and fundamentals, at least for me and other traders. If you don't agree, well, we still welcome you. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss any future videos. Like the video so that I can continue making these videos for you, sharing the knowledge that I've gathered over the years trading the market. If you are looking to download this system, other indicators, robots, courses, the things that people are selling out there, what we do on this channel is for free, so you can download everything for free using the links in the description box below. The broker that I use, I usually get asked the broker that I use because people want to match my charts with what their charts as well. The broker that I use, the link is in the description box below. One of the best brokers in the world. Go ahead and sign up with them. I've not had any problems with them for the past 5 years of trading with them regarding deposits and withdrawals. And for $5 you can open a real life trading account. We don't do demo here, so just $5, then you can test your strategies, your robots, your thinking, and if your strategy is working, then you can easily add more onto your trading capital. That's how we do it here. So going back to our trade, so Euro USD, if you know me or if you've been following me on this channel, Euro USD is one of my best pairs to trade. It's just so simple for me. I don't know if you agree, but for me, Euro USD is just simple to trade. So being one of my favorite pairs to trade, basically is what I'm going to be looking for or looking at as we approach non-farm payroll today. I'm in South Africa, so it's going to be slightly in the afternoon. So heading into non-farm payroll, you already know that the U.S. Economy is in a technical recession. It's in a technical recession. So we might actually see what lesser jobs on what on the U.S. non-farm payroll, which might technically what see us using that as a reason to what to break through. We might not go all the way here, of course, the market moves in zigzags. The market moves in zigzags. So we might use that as a reason if because of the technical recession, the jobs numbers is weak or is very low than we expected. We might use that as an indication that we break through. However, the problem as well with the US right now is the inflation. It keeps giving the Fed problems. So what it means is the Fed might again need to what to increase interest rates or whatever they need to do, and that actually makes what the dollar stronger again. It makes the dollar attractive again to buyers because of what? Because of the potential rewards that they will have for holding the dollar. So if we have that, then obviously the dollar would what? And let's say we also have a better than expected number at NFP, the dollar would certainly strengthen. And obviously we are already at a technical area already with the euro dollar pair. Obviously we will need to sell the euro, and we will certainly see movement going down, but it's going to be a situation of where you are going to need to be vigilant. You need to be vigilant. You don't just want to jump in straight into this thing. You want to be vigilant because, like I said, we are in a technical recession. We might see lower than expected job numbers, but we are also seeing a situation where the Fed is still need to deal with rising inflation in the U.S. So, which makes it a kind of interesting situation. But if you are on Euro USD, we are actually at this technical level. Euro USD, we are at this technical level, and what we just need to do is we want to use this NFP. We want to use this NFP as a reason, as a reason for us to go this way or to go this way. And we are going to learn in just a few hours. Be vigilant. Don't just sell. Don't just buy. We want to see really where it's going to go. So yeah, those are some of my thoughts as we approach the non-farm payroll of today. Let's see what's going to happen. Are you going to be trading it? Are you going to be staying on the sidelines? If you don't want to lose your money, obviously you just want to stay on the sidelines. But if you don't mind risk, then obviously you just want to watch it and look for opportunities. We are going to. It's going to be an interesting day with NFP today. So that's my thinking, and feel free to share your thoughts ahead of this event in the comment section below. What are you doing? What are you thinking? What setups are you seeing? Not just on Euro USD, on the other pairs as well, so that we help each other to make this money. Guys, I'll see you in the next videos. Go ahead and subscribe, like the videos. Until next time, bye.
It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching